how do you feel about using the logo makers on your side for Gift Grabber? And I will make a custom logo for Gift Grabber, and then we'll let the design champions vote on them. What up, my beautiful squares? Welcome back. Do you know what? Companies slide into my DMs, or possibly my email, because my DMs ain't that lit. But they asked me to advertise their logo makers.
Which logo makers got you covered?
What is a logo maker? A logo maker is an online tool, usually free, where you can put in the name of your company. They usually show you a number of different designs that you like. You click like 5 of them, and then it pops you out a logo. In my mind, you know, you'd have to be kind of a banana to think that a logo designer would want to advertise a logo maker. But here's the truth of the matter, my ducklings. I don't put myself on the line often enough. If I don't make a logo better than a logo maker, and you know, I'm charging for it, then it completely destroys my reputation. Even bigger than that, does it destroy the whole reputation of graphic designers? Is it a larger commentary on human work versus artificial intelligence work? I did a pretty quick Google search, and I came up with 4 logo makers. We got one from the space that is square, triangle space, and then the next one we got a logo maker from Canva.com, and third we got main man Twix's cousin Wix.com, their logo maker, and finally something else called Taylor Brands logo maker. So those are my 4 competitors. You guys will decide who the winner is. If it's not me, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this channel. But I need this to be a little bit fair, so I am going to call my brother and see if he can give me and the logo makers a challenge to work on. And maybe I'll have him make the logos on the logo makers, so it's not me making the logos on the logo makers. Yeah, boy. All right, let's give him a call. Hello, my son. I'm taking on robot logo makers, and I need a project.
Okay. I made an app like 2 weeks ago that still doesn't have the logo.
Sick. What did you name it?
I named it Gift Grabber. Sites like Giphy Cat, their GIFs are usually actually videos. So this is a way to basically download those videos to your own server and convert them to actual GIF files.
Okay, that's lit. So how do you feel about using the logo makers on your side for Gift Grabber? And I will make a custom logo for Gift Grabber, and then we'll let the design champions vote on them.
Okay, and I should try to make the best one I can.
Yeah, make the best one. Yeah. Okay, man. I'll be on it. Bye. Okay, so we know the design we need to make. What is it? Gift Grabber. That's the thing. Takes GIFs from GIF hosting websites like Giphy, etc. Sometimes they're in video formats, so Gift Grabber takes them directly, hosts them on your server. You can change it to a GIF and lets you easily embed them in things like Google Docs. Okay, I'm gonna get started on some logo ideas and get back to y'all. Catch me on the flip side. Here we go. He's a cat, he's a bandit. Caught him on my meme with a camera. What a gift, I ain't even planning. You say GIF, I don't understand it. Gift grabber, never been madder. Never met a cat who could grab a gift faster. Gift grabber, never been madder. Never met a cat who could grab a gift faster. My bandit, take another meme from anywhere you want. Take it then leave 'em. My bandit, take another meme from anywhere you want. Take it then leave 'em. He's a cat, he's a bandit. Caught him on my meme with a camera. What a gift, I ain't even plan it. You say GIF, I don't understand it. Gift grabber, never been madder. Never met a cat who could grab a gift faster. Gift grabber, never been madder. Never met a cat who could grab a gift faster. My bandit, take another meme from anywhere you want. Take it then leave 'em. I've been working for a bit. Here's what I got so far. Look what I got, guys. Look what I got. This is pretty sick. I can't really decide on accessories or face. So I have 2 versions here, one with collars or one with some like color stars above his head. So I'm gonna do something I've never done before and ask the homies on the Instagram. Okay, here we go. Add a thing. Poll. Yeah, boy. Oh, okay, perfect. Logo for gift grabbing plugin. Which do you prefer, home slices? And in the meantime, I'm gonna add some font to this boy. Okay, guys, I grabbed a lot of fonts from the interweb nets. I narrowed it down to like 16 or so that I wanna test with. So I'm gonna compare them side by side and think about which one I like a little bit more. So I think I do like that one. Actually do like that one better. This one's a little bit hard to read. I'd have to do stuff to fix it. So that one's a little bit better. Okay, now I can delete the ones that don't have any arrows pointing to it. Okay, I like these two better. Shoot, I cannot decide between these guys. Okay, top one's better. Okay, yeah, that's right. Okay, now we got our font chosen. Let's go back to the Instagrams and see what you design champos chose. Okay, so here's what you guys said. 64% top, 36% bottom. I also got one inappropriate message. It wasn't that inappropriate, it was just funny. Burn, the time has finally come. My brother has sent the 4 designs that he got from the logo makers. Without any further ado, tonight's first contestant into the robot v human battle comes to us from canva.com. Okay, so this is the first design from Canva. Really interesting colors. I think it gets the idea of the product across, but I don't think it gets the idea of the reason why you use GIFs, right? GIFs are to add a little bit of humor and flair to whatever you're presenting. Next one comes to us from Taylor Brands. I don't know if this is like a shirt tailor or a guy named Taylor. Interesting. You know what? Let me call my brother.
Hello?
Hey, Zeal. So I'm trying to figure out the Taylor Brands one. Can you give us any insight onto what's the idea behind the diamonds?
It just gave me that.
Okay, nice. Next design comes from my cousin, Twix cousin, Wix.com. Okay, Zeal, can you tell us how you came about this and what do you think it is?
They gave me a couple options, and that one seemed the only one that had anything to do with visual.
Okay, next, the Squarespace one. Pretty lit.
Oh
Yeah.
The Squarespace one, you just search for an icon. I just searched for animation. I just chose that icon, and then they make you choose a color. So I chose orange because I'd already done the Wix one, and I thought orange was cool.
Okay, man. Nice. Thank you for the rundown and the information. I'm going to let the peoples vote now. Okay. Thanks, man. Bye. Peace out, homie. All right, design champions, vote now in the poll or forever hold your peace of muffin tops. Option 1, Canva robot. Option 2, Taylor Brands robot. Option 3, Wix robot. Option 4, Squarespace robot. Or James Charles, real boy. Okay, I don't want to sway your vote or anything, but, please do choose James Charles. Otherwise, my whole career is a sham. But I found the person who is doing it on Twitter somehow. Yeah, look at this. I don't know who this is, but let's see if they would like a logo. Excuse me, boy. I don't know you from Adam, and you don't know me neither, cuz. But I made you this coincidentally. If you'd like to use it, comma, grammar, I require a Cat Bandit poem that consists of 4 rhyming lines. Thank you. This makes more sense. James Charles. That's my first ever Twitter tweet. He's gonna be so confused. Okay, everybody, leave a comment. Let me know if you think Gift Grabber is gonna write us a 4-line poem about Cat Bandit. That would be so cool. This has been a conclusion of the most epic proportions man, Zimri, human, James Charles, verse logo designing robots. You understand? AI coming for our children, but first they're coming for our pixels. What it do, son? Stay awesome, possum, and I'll see you later, alligator. Bye, guys.